what's left of my heart and soul. I know it's my fault. I gotta set it free, pick that light, 'cause I can't remember who I am. I'm fading into gray before I slip away. I've got to find a way. Feels like no one in the world can see the me and me, the way I used to be. Invincibility, and so I'm trying to recover the me and me. So you believe in me, I'm gonna make you see that there's still a me inside of me. There's still a heart beating inside. I'll never let the real me die. I'm losing my identity. There's still a me inside of me. Fingerprints, visual, voice ID. I'm a ghostly apparition like no one recognizes me. I used to be human flesh and blood, waited all my force and firepower.